Hey guys, this is Train Junkies here. Welcome to another episode, and today we're going to be reviewing our New York Central limited edition Lionel train set. This came out in 2003, right when Fast Track came out. This is a limited edition train set. It was a New York Central diesel. Came with 3 passenger cars, basic loop, and a CWA transformer. And also, the best thing about this diesel is it has tremendous rail sounds. Great for what it'd be like if you were taking this train in New York. And also, if you look on the rolling stock, there's lots of great details on those cars. The doors actually open if you actually touch them there. So they open up, and then if you look inside when the lights are up, and the detail in it is just remarkable. So without further ado, we're going to get started. We're going to show you first some of the rail sounds that come with it, and then we're going to show you run around a couple times, and then we'll be done. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to check out all of our other videos and stay tuned for more episodes coming to you every Friday. And be sure to make sure also to check out our brand new website at trainjunkies.weebly.com. Again, that's trainjunkies.weebly.com. And please subscribe to our channel. And thank you so much for watching this video. And we'll see you real soon.